welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is on an amazing side dish. I'm making some fall roasted vegetables. It's fall because of the vegetables that I've chosen. This is what's in season right now and what I could just find in my grocery store. This is also a mixture of what I tend to usually buy anyways, but the dressing is what makes this. It brings out the sweetness of all of these vegetables, and when they're roasted, it's just crunchy and smoky and just phenomenal. It's become one of my favorite side dishes, and I could eat that whole pan. I'm serious. So let's get into the ingredients and I'll show you what's in it. Let's start with the vegetables. I have a mixture of Brussels sprouts, zucchini, carrots, red onions, red bell pepper, and I think that was it. I have olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and sherry vinegar in here. And then a mixture of poultry seasoning, Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and garlic. I came up with this recipe because I make all of my salad dressings at home. It's a really good habit to get into and avoid store-bought dressings with all those added stuff that you don't want to eat and consume. I usually make extra salad dressing and I just shake it up and I have it in a little glass container and I'll keep it in the fridge. And I've done this with beets before. I mean, honestly, any vegetable that you have, cauliflower, that will all work in here. So what I would do is I would just toss leftover dressing on my vegetables, put them in the oven and roast them, and they turned out delicious. And some people may have a hard time finding sherry vinegar. Totally fine, you can substitute it for apple cider vinegar. Balsamic vinegar is gonna give this whole thing a nice sweetness, and I really recommend that you use that. So I'm just gonna add all of these mix-ins into the vinegar and the olive oil. So I love using poultry seasoning year-round. Some people kind of consider it like a fall spice, which is another reason why I incorporated it into today's video, but I use it year-round. It's very warming, and it doesn't work with just poultry. It works with so many other things, and I think it's an underused spice. So that's definitely going in here. And it's as simple as that. Here's your vinaigrette, and this is perfect on salads too because it is a dressing after all. So just give that a good mix. The Dijon mustard is in here to kind of help emulsify everything and make it into one smooth dressing. So you can use a fork. I'm using my mini whisk, and now I'm just gonna pour it all over my veggies. So now you're just gonna take your clean hands and just give it a good mix. My veggies look fully coated in the vinaigrette, and now I have my baking tray lined with parchment paper, and I'm just gonna pour it all on here. Okay, perfect. So I made a double batch. I am gonna be roasting half now and half later. So I am making sure everything is in one even layer, and that is gonna avoid it from steaming, because if they are laid on top of each other, it's not gonna give you that brown kind of crispiness that you want to achieve. So I'm gonna stick these in the oven at 450, wash my hands, and then let these cook for about 40 minutes to 45 minutes. I like to have a little bit of bite to my vegetables, so 40 minutes I found is the perfect time. So 40 minutes at 450, let's go. These look and smell so good, so good. I can't wait to get my fork all up in here, even though I kind of already have. They're caramelized, they're crispy, they smell sweet, like you can smell the sweetness coming off of them. The dressing did that, the garlic and the onions helped with the sweetness, the red bell pepper. I'm gonna take a bite because it's staring at me. Carrots are good. What's next? This is restaurant worthy, I must say. And I love these parts. You hear that? That's a good crispy. It's like that burnt end of a marshmallow. I love that. So, I hope you guys give this a try. So easy, and you can just throw it in the oven while you're getting the rest of your dinner together, and it is the perfect side dish. You can turn it into a salad. You can put it over pasta, over rice, with some chicken or fish. Give this a try. When you do, don't forget to use my hashtag so I can see what you're making. It makes me so happy when you guys use my recipes and tell me how much you enjoy them. It just makes my day. So hit the subscribe subscribe button if you want to see more videos like these, because I have some more good stuff coming up for you this fall. Hit the bell notification, that way you're notified of when I post something. And check me out on social media. All my links will be down below, along with this recipe in my blog. All that information will be in the description bar down below, so check that out. And while you're here, check out some other awesome videos that I have lined up for you. So stay tuned for more fun fall videos. Thank you guys so much for watching today, and we'll see you next time on The Bite.